This is how outside looking. Good morning to all my subscribers. Welcome to winter in the Poconos in the United States. This is how it's looking this morning. We're shoveling out after the very first snowstorm. There goes my puppies. Hey! This is how it's looking. This is how it's looking outside. Look at my puppies though. Trying to get the car started for work. This is how it's looking.
I don't know.
Ooh. This is really pretty, huh? Tiger! Look at him. Look at my puppies. Oh. Tiger! Coco! Look at them. Hey! It's all winter. Look at the trees. Oh. Hey, the trees are down. This is a lot of snow. Trying to shovel out.
And these people gonna plow in front of the
Hey! Look at this. All white. Oh my goodness.
So how are we supposed to go to the White House now?
We're going Saturday. We're only taking one car, so whoever car.
Look at this car though. It's all twisted though.
Be prepared for keys to get snapped.
Look at my truck.
People fight.
It's all snow.
I don't care. As long as I got my game shit. Ma, did Yanni tell you how I came to the White House the last time?
Going at it.
Look at this.
Oh, Mommy making a Facebook video.
Why Prince in there?
Huh? I don't know.
Because I put him in. He came running in. Hey. We're shoveling out.
We got salt.
Momo.
Yeah, this is bad. This is crazy. She's there and I can't even stop to go over the bump like that. Shit, this crazy dog. This is the neighborhood, man. It's bad. The trees are down.